What if I told you there is a little-known path that the most successful entrepreneurs use to grow million-dollar businesses, and you have access to it right now? It is called an SBA loan, and the wealthy use it to build empires without risking their personal savings. This is the ultimate tool for growth, leverage, and freedom. And today, you are going to learn exactly how it works. You did not click on this video by accident. You are here because you are tired of grinding without scaling. You want more time, more income, more options. But you need the fuel to get there. That fuel is capital, and the key to unlocking it is a well-structured SBA loan. The Small Business Administration has been helping people just like you start, scale, and stabilize businesses through low-interest, government-backed funding. Yet most people either do not know it exists or are too intimidated by the process to try. The wealthy? They do not just try, they optimize the system, and now you will too. SBA loans are government-guaranteed financing options designed specifically for small businesses. The government does not lend the money directly. Instead, it partners with approved lenders, banks, and community development institutions to reduce the lender's risk. This means more favorable terms for you, the borrower. There are several types of SBA loans, but the most common are SBA 7 loan, ideal for working capital, refinancing debt, or purchasing equipment. SBA 504 loan, used for large, fixed asset purchases, like commercial real estate or machinery. SBA microloans, perfect for startups or businesses needing smaller amounts of capital, typically up to $50,000. Wealthy entrepreneurs love SBA loans because they offer high leverage with low risk. We are talking interest rates as low as 6%, repayment terms up to 25 years, and loan amounts that can reach into the millions. More importantly, many SBA loans require as little as 10% down. That means you keep more cash in your pocket to reinvest, hire staff, or expand your product line. Smart investors use SBA loans to acquire existing businesses, open new locations, buy equipment that generates revenue, invest in real estate while minimizing personal risk. It is not about debt, it is about strategic deployment of capital. SBA loans are the bridge between where you are now and where your business is meant to be. Let us talk strategy. You got the loan, now what? Start or acquire a business. Use your SBA 7 loan to purchase an existing business with strong cash flow. This is one of the fastest ways to become a business owner with built-in revenue. Invest in equipment. Buy revenue-generating tools that make your operation more efficient. Think bakery ovens, dental chairs, commercial landscaping tools. Real estate expansion. Use the SBA 504 loan to purchase the building your business rents from. You stop paying rent and start building equity. Marketing and branding. Allocate a portion of the funds to build awareness, increase visibility, and bring in more customers. Team building. Hire strategic positions that allow you to work on your business, not just in it. Step-by-step blueprint for SBA loan success. Prepare a solid business plan. Include market research, financial projections, and a clear plan for how the loan will be used. Lenders want to see viability. Check your credit and financials. While SBA loans are accessible, lenders still want to see responsible credit history. Aim for a credit score above 680. Choose the right SBA loan type. Match your business goal to the correct loan product. Find an SBA-approved lender. Use the SBA's lender match tool or work with local banks familiar with your industry. Gather documentation. Be prepared with tax returns, bank statements, a debt schedule, profit and loss statements, and a personal financial statement. Apply through the lender. Submit your application and respond quickly to any requests. The faster you provide details, the faster they process. Use the funds strategically. Once approved, deploy the capital according to your business plan. Monitor ROI closely. Here are some real stories and real success. A single mom in Texas used a microloan to open her dream cafe. Within 18 months, she was making 6 figures. A veteran bought a laundromat using an SBA 7 loan and used the free cash flow to invest in real estate. An online business scaled with an SBA loan used to fund ad campaigns that tripled monthly revenue in 3 months. Here is the truth. The wealthy use leverage, not labor, to build freedom. They never use their own money when they do not have to. They build business credit, set up multiple LLCs, and use one loan to fund many ventures. They understand how systems create income while reducing personal risk, and they keep reinvesting to scale what works. They also know how to play the long game. An SBA loan is not a quick fix. It is a tool. When used correctly, it can build generational wealth. Drop a comment below if this opened your eyes. Like this video if you are ready to take your business to the next level. Subscribe if you want more behind-the-scenes strategies the wealthy do not want you to know. Watch our How You Can playlist daily and let it fuel your ambition while you build. You do not need to be rich to get funding. You just need to be resourceful. The SBA is created for you to help you grow, lead, and win. You have the map. Now take the step. Your dream business is waiting, and the funds to build it are already within reach. Like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to the How You Can movement.